All right. Let me fix this real quick. Let me try to bring it in a little bit closer, like right there. Right there. Oh, I'm gonna take my thing out. All right, guys. One trade stopped out. Right there. Already got that marked out. So let's go over here. We'll go over the 5 second first, I guess, showing you guys the trade management. So, or the 1 second. So as soon as we entered, market came down, pushed up, went down, pushed up. By this time already, broke above these highs. I already trailed the stop. I won't even lie. I trailed the stop to break even. Mitigated all my risk, my 1% risk. Market ran up, trailed my stop loss. Whenever we had strong displacement and we broke above these highs, that's where I trailed it, right there. And then as we came back down, we stalled, we pushed up one more time, and then we started to flush. My original target was 1R, just a quick 500, and I pushed it. I won't lie, I pushed it. Whenever we were pushing up, I was like, all right. Whenever we were pushing up right here, I was like, all right, we can aim for 2R, maximize my profit. And then next thing you know, we just hit basically a break even, or $150 day, get the winning day out the way. This trade wasn't bad, but it was a little late. I won't lie, this trade should have been taken down here. This should have been like the real trade. Like, yeah, the 49 point stop, like right around here, with this much right here as your target. This would have been met pretty quickly. Right there, like that. Boom. 1 to 2, and under like a minute, bro. Like a minute, almost under a minute and 30. Really one of the quickest trades by far. But let's go over the buys here. Let's go over the narrative. And again, I only have one trade in me, so like this was the one trade, and I hit my limit after that. But reason for the entry was the IFVG entry. We had the IFVG entry, and once we had that closed, basically that's kind of where I entered. I waited, and then market went down, pushed up, formed this fair value gap, broke above these highs. It's clear bullish order flow telling us we're going to continue to the upside, and we did, and I just simply trailed a little bit too aggressively. Even though the target would have not been met, it would have been, we probably would have been break even at like basically at a 1R, which is better than nothing. Which is pretty unfortunate, if I'm being truly honest. It was a good trade, honestly. I won't lie, it was a good trade, but we just didn't have the higher time frame confluence nor the sweeps down here. This inversion fairly up would have been the best one, but the entry just up here, stop loss somewhere down here. Just strong displacement after we swept again this low, while the other ones didn't. And then which we had SMT, and then eventually the market just pushed up, and now shorts don't even look too bad. Like shorts, let's see if the shorts play out here. Boom, you go break even right here. To say you took the short right here, stops right around here, like 40 points. Target like a 1 to 2. You go break even right here. I probably would be. I'm not gonna lie. I probably would be break even already. So I'm break even already. Oh my god, stopped out. That's one thing about me. I need to work on my break evens. I won't lie. But yeah, this trade was not bad at all. I'll show you guys the account status. I know a lot of people like seeing these for some reason. We're still down, honestly, from that one day we didn't walk away on this account, as opposed to the other one, which did get locked out. This one never did. And then, as you can see here, best trade, and then our worst profitable day, most profitable day, best trade, and then worst trade, and then average winning trade, average losing trade. Yeah, we're slowly climbing our way, back to profit. Boom, boom, boom. And that's how it should be, And then one trade every single day. Yesterday's trade should have never been such a tight break-even trade. Probably would have up 2%. This one should have been up 1%. So 2R, 1R, that's around 1.5 K, and then that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 winning days only though, so probably have to have like another one. And then that would put us up. Let's see. Let's put out the handy dandy calculator. 1.5 minus 171.72, around 1.3, and then eventually if we get another 150 plus, and then we divide that by 2, that would have been like around 739. So that's the main objective, really, to be up around that amount. And yeah, just probably two really good 2 hour trades. That's what we're aiming for. And if not, taking 1 hour, But my main objective really is to aim for 2 hours, especially on those good days, not trail so tight. And then for days like this on a Friday, where we're not really entering at the best area, just aiming for 1 hour, I guess. Really just discretion when it comes to the trade and the quality of it. Take this off. But let's go over the trade now, and let's go full screen. Daily time frame. Daily looked really, really bearish, but this was the objective, the sell side objective. And we never really met it. And we also had, I don't know if the body closed. Yeah, the body didn't close here. And so we had a candle range low sweep right there on the daily. I think I already have all this marked out. No, it's on the other chart. And then 4 hour time frame, we had a 4 hour internal array. And this is where it gets a little more complicated. We had a daily sweep, daily candle range low sweep, which is like a previous day low. And we had our buy side objective, SIBI up there. 4 hour buy side objective, a 1 hour buy side objective, the intermediate term high inside of the SIBI. We also had a 1 hour internal array, candle range low sweep, and a 30-minute candle range low sweep. And then on the 15, and then we also had our buy side objective up there, pre-AM highs. And then on the 15, we also had a 15-minute candle range low sweep, reaching up into this 1 hour PD array, which is so crucial because, again, it built so much low resistance up here that you knew the market was going to just melt. It's going to melt whenever it reaches it. Right there like that. You just knew it was going to melt, and then eventually you can see once it starts to just, it instantly runs, bro. And again, this is what I mean. Like, I should have been trading down here, sweeping whenever we're sweeping, and then we start reversing. That's when you enter. I came to the charts not even too late. I was on the charts already, but the move happened so quickly and sporadically. I was already watching it here, and I was like, oh, it's going to leave me behind, Even here, this is like what? A good 70 points, retraces back down, another 70, pushes, if I got the better entry, we would have met my target, Oh, yeah, we would have met it. But I probably would have got stopped out, break even. This is not even a bad trade either. I won't even lie. This doesn't look bad at all. This right here. This doesn't look bad at all. This would not be a bad trade right here. If we sweep. My computer crashing. This is embarrassing. Alright, but I think I'm in the trade recap here because my top stuff's crashing, bro. This is embarrassing. Everything else is good. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. Not much else. Better journal review. This week has not been bad. It's been a really good week. Just getting back to following the system, taking 1 trade a day, having good risk management. Really the only thing now is trade management and emotional stability / psychology whenever we're in the trade. Just being able to accept the probabilities. That's one thing, I don't want to lose. If I'm being truly honest, I don't want to lose. I hate losing. But I know it's part of the game. But yeah, I just don't want to lose. I want to be extra strict, extra picky with my setups, and just follow my rules, bro, and just wait for the highest quality setup and just have strong conviction behind every setup I take. And that's kind of my main focus. I could care less about P&L. So, yeah.